Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing spinach salad with warm bacon dressing. Great side dish to any steak meal, or any meal at all, or have it as a meal. We're going to start off with 4 slices of thick bacon. We're going to cut it in half, and then cut it in half again lengthways. Then we're going to cut that into small pieces, and we'll transfer those pieces into a non-stick skillet. Excuse my voice today. It's been very windy here in Vegas and my allergies have kicked up a bit. Anyways, once we get all these pieces separated and into our skillet, we're going to turn the flame on medium-low, and we'll saute this bacon down to render out all that bacon grease. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends and family about us. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. And I do appreciate you all watching. Alright, we're going to get this bacon sauteed up. And then I have what's called a spider, which is a small strainer, which works great. That once the bacon has rendered out the fat and got nice and crispy, we're going to use that spider to separate the bacon from the bacon grease. And we'll set the pieces of bacon to the side until we're ready to use those later. Now, I've got 1 package of baby spinach that's already been washed and cleaned. And we're going to take that spinach, put it into our large salad bowl. And I've also got half of a red onion and my mandolin on the thinnest setting so I can get some very thin slices of red onion. And as always with the mandolin, be very careful. They're very sharp and dangerous. And that's what we're going to get, nice thin slices of red onion. And we'll set that to the side. Now that our bacon grease has cooled down, it's time to make our dressing. We're going to turn the flame on just for a minute, just to get that bacon grease warmed up. We don't want it hot. We just want to get it nice and warm. And once it gets nice and warm, we're going to add 1/2 a cup of granulated sugar to it. And then we're going to turn the flame off. And we're just going to mix, and let that sugar slowly start to dissolve. And once you get to about that part right there, what we're going to add is our 2 dashes of Worcestershire, a couple dashes of lemon juice. We're going to add our bacon bits and a couple dashes of red wine vinegar. And then we'll mix all that up, turn the flame on very low to bring this to a nice warm temperature as we mix it all up. And once that bacon dressing is nice and warm, we're going to pour that right over the top of our salad and then put the pan to cover the salad to help wilt it down just a little bit with the heat. After a few minutes, we'll get our tongs out, give it a good mix, and then it'll be time to serve. And like I say, you can serve this as a meal. You can serve it as a side dish to a great steak or pork chop dinner. Whatever you like, but it's a delicious salad, easy to make, and most of your gourmet steakhouses have it. Alright, thanks for watching, and come back again soon. Thank you.